Every luxury ship begins its journey deep within the earth.
Strength is born long before design ever takes shape. Raw material begins its long transformation.
The ship's backbone is forged here.
Nature is refined by controlled force. Movement gives purpose to material. Heat reshapes destiny.
From fire comes structure.
Precision begins at the atomic level. Mass becomes form. Uniformity enables engineering.
Human judgment still matters.
Preparation defines accuracy. Raw power meets precision.
The skeleton of luxury takes shape.
Material prepares to travel again.
The ship's journey has truly begun. Distance separates extraction from creation.
Every movement is calculated.
Human control guides industrial scale.
The destination comes into view.
Where materials become vessels.
Order controls complexity.
Arrival marks a new phase.
Safety defines professionalism. Mass yields to control. Accuracy saves time and lives. Every piece has a purpose. Scale defines shipbuilding.
Transformation waits inside.
Raw steel meets design. Flow keeps production alive. Preparation leads to perfection.
Precision is non-negotiable.
Construction is about to begin.
Shipbuilding is a city of motion. Every movement has consequence. Parts converge toward purpose.
This is where giants are born. Every line guides structure.
The spine arrives first. Steady, easy down.
Accuracy builds confidence. Stability precedes growth.
Measurement validates intention. Connection creates strength.
Balance defines performance. A vessel starts to breathe. Skin waits for structure. Scale demands coordination.
The hull begins to close.
Temporary bonds guide permanence. Elegance is engineered. Before perfection, surfaces must be prepared. Smoothness strengthens structure.
Clean air protects craftsmanship.
Touch confirms quality.
Deep cleaning begins.
Steel reveals its true surface. Preparation sets longevity.
Protection begins at the molecular level.
Environment controls consistency. Corrosion is engineered out. Time completes chemistry.
Preparation guides progress.
Ready for advancement.
Standards are enforced.
We need to ensure that the plating alignment is perfect before the next phase.
Interlocking forms define rigidity.
Internal support carries external pressure. Perfection requires measurement.
Every surface supports future layers.
Access enables progress. Infrastructure anticipates function.
Systems weave through structure.
Inside, the skeleton is complete and ready for transformation. The ship's skin awaits its embrace.
Mass meets precision. Every millimeter counts. Temporary bonds pave permanence. Consistency builds the outer shell. The stern mirrors the bow's integrity.
Modules converge to form complexity.
Easy. Hold position.
Set it down slowly.
Precision ensures structural harmony.
Strength begins with connection.
The ship grows skyward.
Alignment preserves future stability.
Strength is locked at every joint.
Internal layers support future life.
Function threads through structure.
Surface refinement reinforces integrity.
The vessel emerges, formidable and precise. Precision robotics enhance human skill. Every pass is exact to the millimeter. Automation transforms raw steel into exact shapes.
Matifi. Machines access what humans cannot.
Digital eyes ensure flawless execution.
Automation supports structural precision.
Perfection comes at the speed of computation.
Systems integrate seamlessly. Even small surfaces are attended with care.
Measurements confirm structural fidelity.
Consistency is built into every joint. Sections evolve from structure to strength.
Precision is visible in every detail.
Integrity is verified automatically.
Above deck, precision continues.
Technology amplifies craftsmanship. Surface refinement begins the final transformation.
Smoothness strengthens both beauty and structure.
Clean surfaces ensure coating adherence.
Inspection guarantees perfection before the next layer.
Protection is as vital as aesthetics. The appearance reflects precision.
Every inch undergoes scrutiny.
Final touches define elegance.
Small details anchor quality.
Precision hardware enhances usability. Critical components secure the vessel's purpose.
Every surface is verified before completion.
Attention to the front defines first impressions.
The vessel's exterior radiates craftsmanship.
Preparation anticipates final systems.
Cleanliness ensures flawless finish.
The transformation nears completion. Every weld is scrutinized for flawless strength.
Precision ensures safety and performance.
Every system is tested before operation.
Hydraulics must perform without compromise.
Sealed systems prevent future hazards.
Safety is engineered into every layer.
Strength is confirmed under pressure.
Power distribution is flawless and safe.
Core systems must operate under scrutiny.
Stability ensures reliability at sea.
Energy systems are verified for safety.
Compartmental integrity is non-negotiable.
Inspection validates every detail.
Exterior perfection meets internal precision.
Preparedness is as critical as construction.
Every material is verified before deployment.
Quality ensures the ship's journey begins safely. The ship is ready for its journey beyond the dock.
Temporary home before first voyage.
Every tool ensures smooth transition to water.
Preparation anticipates motion.
Elevation reveals readiness.
Gravity and precision guide the descent. Controlled motion leads to freedom. The vessel embarks on its first journey.
Every detail confirmed before departure. Lines guide the vessel into freedom.
The first touch of water signals new beginnings. Every component prepared for delivery.
Logistics ensures readiness.
The journey extends beyond the yard.
And this is how modern factories produce a luxury ship from start to finish.